G'day all, welcome back to the channel. Thought I'd do a really quick review on my San Hema tow mirrors that I've put on my Ranger. Had them a couple of months now. They are a clear rip-off of the Clearviews, and put them on for the sole purpose of towing a caravan. Got a bit of a review on how they go with everyday use as well. So here's a side-on profile of them. They do look pretty similar to Clearview. Probably distinguishing factors are that they're slightly different, those grooves on the side, and they've got a pretty big repeater indicator lens on the indicator. Split mirrors, which are good and bad. Bit of a pain for everyday use, but at the same time are handy. If you want to sort of make quick changes in traffic, they can be a little bit confusing, but they're pretty good. Otherwise, they slide out very easily, and as you can see, you get a fair bit of coverage there. Slide back in. They don't have the fold-in functions like the Clearviews have on the newer ones, but they're a pretty good towing mirror. So done about 5,000 Ks with them in tow in the last couple of months, and no vibrations. So for towing wise, pretty good. From a backing or reversing point of view with a caravan, a pretty big van we towed, about 21 foot. Great from a 6x4 trailer, fantastic. So I really can't fault them from that. These ones are the San Hema brand. Now I paid for these, there's no freebies, this is just me. And I think I paid about 380 bucks for them at Vic Off Road down here in Melbourne. For the price, really good. Compared it to the Clearviews, which are about 800 bucks. Some of the others that are sort of around that $500-600 mark. This is a pretty good mirror for that. They're very sturdy, quite strong, no movement there, as you can see, no lateral movement. Pretty happy with them. On the downside, couple of things. They're pretty wide, so they do take a bit to get used to. And for everyday use, there is a little bit of wind noise once you get over about 90 Ks. So around town they're okay, but get on the freeway for a bit and they can be a bit noisy, but you'll get used to them. Would I buy them again? Absolutely. For 380 bucks or so, 400 bucks. I would buy them again. I would take them off probably though for around town use when I'm not towing a lot, and put them back on. It's a pretty quick process. 3 bolts and electrical connection. Pretty simple on the Ranger. Not so sure about what it is on other cars, but on my Ranger, pretty simple. Like I said, just from an everyday point of view, if I'm not towing for an extended period of time, I'll change them off and put the standard ones back on. But absolutely, yeah, for the price, they're brilliant. Would I justify the Clearviews or one of those that had the auto power folds and those sort of things? Yeah, look, if I was towing every single day and doing big towing or caravanning or whatever around the countryside, then I probably would justify the money. But for those of you that are not towing all that often and just need them to tow a van, they're great. They're a lot better than the ones that clip onto your mirrors and vibrate the hell off. I've had a couple of those over the years where they fall off, or there's no point having them on because you can't see anything anyway. But like I said, for the money, absolutely I'd get these every time. Thanks for watching. Got any questions, put them down below, and hope to give you an update on some other stuff soon. Thanks. Before I forget, I'll put a link into the video down here, and make sure that you can see the install video that I did on these a couple of months ago. Thanks very much.